Hi, welcome to Coming Attractions for week 11. So for this week, this is really an important week for you. And that's because you are now supposed to be starting to work on your results. Now this means surveys are what we're going to work on in our informal session tomorrow. You're going to find that you have two readings, two videos, and your assignment is to start pulling together everything you have to date. Now, for most of you, I know you have not gotten to the point where you've got a method section even partially written. Many of you are still trying to pull together your introduction and your lit review. Don't worry, we can handle this. But the time has come to set up weekly or twice a week appointments so that we can move you forward faster. So please be so kind as to get in touch with me so we can make time for that. I will see you tomorrow night. And if there's anything else you need, let me know. And I'll just say, have a great day. Bye.